Hi everyone, this is John Vanderjov. It's back time for the scene of Cruella tries to buy the puppies. Enjoy! There we go,
What
buddy.
time is it, Joey?
5 o'clock.
Okay, 30 minutes and I'll get this.
You've done it, buddy. It's hatching. Whimpering. Whining, squeaking, continue. 10 out of 10.
I'm glad I'm only having one.
There you go. Cruella.
Anita?
There you go.
Where are the puppies? They should have arrived by now. How marvelous. How perfect.
That was...
Devil take it.
That was the devil.
No spots. No spots at all.
All the spots are gone.
Horrible little
What's
white
going
rat.
on?
This
What's
won't
going
happen
on?
till later. You're sure? Yes. All right. Put them in a bag. I'll take them with me now.
Nice try, but that's incorrect.
But Cruella, the puppies have to be with their mother for several weeks. They're not ready to leave.
Fine, put the little brutes on reserve for me. How much would you like?
This is incorrect.
You've come into some money, have you? Did you design some silly game that will drive the delinquent kiddies into frenzies of video delight?
As a matter of fact,
This is where Ryan Goodwin, the movie alternate.
I'm not sure we're going to sell the puppies.
Anita, don't be ridiculous. You can't possibly afford it.
Stomps,
I'll pay you
continue.
twice what they're worth. Come now. I'm being more than generous. £500. £7,500. There. £2 per spot.
Cruella,
Look what you've done with 15 puppies.
it's irrelevant. It is.
15
You can't have
puppies.
any because they're not for sale.
I'm getting very tired of you, Roland.
Roger.
Whatever.
Thunder rumbling. Thunderclap. Screamed Cruella as she hurried along. Ready, go. There you go. Runs.
Good evening, madam.
That's better, isn't it? Gasps. Holy cricket! It was Harry Potter! It was Hermione Granger! And it was... You two had gotten changing rubs. Have lunch soon.
Come on, you.
Have you known? Just, there you go. Nanny.
Thank you, Pounder.
They've arrived!
I got them. Anita, Roderick, I'm in the living room. Now come on down and have a look.
There the puppies go. 15 Dalmatians. 15 Dalmatians. You've heard that, have you?
You see what I've got for
That wraps up this part. Have a good evening.
Yes, that's not helping us any. It's coming
That's
out
all.
from Lake waters.
That was all.
26
Thank
right now
you.
in Chicago. But check out some